In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MindBody software in this 2025 tutorial. We'll dive into its powerful tools and features that can help streamline your business operations. From booking and scheduling to client management and marketing, we've got you covered. Let's start with online booking and scheduling. First, log into your MindBody business app or desktop dashboard. Head over to the menu and navigate to Schedule, then Classes, and click on Add Class. Here you'll enter essential details such as the class name, the instructor, the duration, and the class capacity. Once saved, clients can view and book the class directly through your MindBody app listing, your website booking widget, or a direct link shared on platforms like social media. A handy tip: enabling the waitlist feature ensures that loyal clients never miss a chance to join when a class fills up. Moving on to integrated payments, MindBody offers a secure platform for processing payments through its own service, MindBody Payments. To set this up, go to Sales, then Settings, and finally MindBody Payments. Here, you'll need to input your business banking details and connect your account. This setup allows you to accept payments online, in person, or via mobile checkout. Clients can pay for drop-in classes, memberships, gift cards, and various packages or passes. A little bonus for business owners is the ability to set up recurring billing for memberships, providing a steady, predictable income stream. Next on our list is client management. This CRM functionality helps you automatically track every client interaction and purchase. To utilize this feature, head to Clients and then the Client List. By clicking on a specific client's name, you'll gain access to their booking history, membership status, personal notes or preferences, and contact details. Adding notes like prefers morning yoga or has a shoulder injury can be extremely useful for providing a more personalized experience. To boost your marketing efforts, consider using tags such as VIP, trial, or new client to group clients effectively. Another powerful feature is the marketing suite and automations, which allows your marketing efforts to run around the clock. Visit Marketing and then the Marketing Suite to explore various options. Here you can craft campaigns for newsletters and offers, set up automations like welcome, win back, or birthday flows, and manage promotions like 3 classes for a special price. Track the success of these campaigns using insights that show open rates and conversion metrics. Clients love getting automated "we miss you" reminders, which are great for re-engaging lapsed members. For those offering virtual classes, enabling virtual wellness under Settings in the MindBody Virtual Wellness section allows you to create and stream live classes online. Booked clients will get a private streaming link, making it seamless for them to attend live sessions from anywhere. Lastly, delve into reports and analytics to keep tabs on your business health. In Reports, navigate to Business Reports to view sales, attendance, and retention data. Export these reports as PDF or Excel files for detailed analysis, helping you refine schedules, pricing, and marketing strategies. With these insights, MindBody not only enhances your efficiency, but also elevates your client experience. So dive in, explore, and make the most of this robust platform.